In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Facebook feeds, okay? The first thing we need to do is click on the Facebook application. Then we refresh it. And can remember to like this video if you find it useful, okay? Then click on your profile picture, far right. Then you want to click on this gear icon here. Then scroll down until you see this place for your time on Facebook. Click on it. Then scroll. Then click on get more from your time. Then select see settings. Then select manage your feed. Here you can select favorite people and pages that you want to prioritize their post in your feed. Just click on the arrow there. Then select people and pages that you want to add to your favorites, okay? Then go back after doing that successfully. Just click back and select snooze. Here you can snooze pages and people that you consider bothersome, okay? So that you can prioritize your feeds, okay? Then go back again. Select unfollow to unfollow pages that do not add value to your life or do not align with your personality, okay? Go back once again and select reconnect. By doing this, you can reconnect to pages that you unfollowed, okay? Then go back once again. Then select friends on Facebook. Then you will see your friends on Facebook and you can confirm further friend request. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.